5 things I wish I knew before going bald. Number 1, confidence. So just imagine you are bald but you are confident. I tell you, it is another level of confidence kasi nga para siyang statement na you don't care about what other people think about you. And I tell you, it is an alpha energy and it is very, very attractive. Number 2, less distraction. Aminin man natin o hindi, may impact ang pagiging panot in our daily lives. Instead of giving our full attention to the things that matters the most, nadadivert yung attention natin sa ulo natin. Kasi nga, takot pagtawanan, takot mabash, takot ma-judge, and it will result to low self-confidence. That's why I will tell you this over and over again. Mas okay na maging kalbo kesa maging panot. Number 3, low maintenance. So nung full head pa ako, every other week ako nagpapagupit. And nung napanot na ako, aside sa every other week ako nagpapagupit, nag-i-invest din ako sa hair concealers and sa sombrero. And it cost me more. But nung time na nagpakalbo na ako, blade na lang yung puhunan ko. And every other 2 months na lang ako pumupunta ng barbershop just to shave off and papormahin tong beard ko. So I save time and I can leverage time to do more productive things. Number 4, boldness and masculinity. So in connection with confidence and less distraction, being bald will make you more bold. Why? Well, the truth behind this is this. The moment na magpakalbo ka na, wala nang atrasan yan. So you are cornered by your situation and you are left with 2 choices. It's either magpalamon ka sa sistema and end up being depressed or having a low self-confidence forever, or you will develop the things na nag-i-exist pa sa'yo. And what are those? Your fitness, your spirituality, your career, your relationship, and etc. So if you choose to develop yourself, you will become a better version of you and you will become more masculine. Number 5, baldness doesn't define you. It doesn't define me, us. Well, I tell you the truth, before I really thought na once maging kalbo na ako, it's the end of the game. Wala na magkaka-interest sa akin, hindi na ako magkakaasawa, or hindi na ako magiging successful in life. But I just realized that those are just self-limiting beliefs. Because I tell you, our value as a man is not dependent on our hair. So brothers, don't allow this world to dictate who you are. Alright? Because our value can be found in God. So I challenge you, rise up, fight back, win life, and become an inspiration to other people. Because you are valuable, you are strong, you are a leader, and you can overcome life. So if you enjoy watching this video, let me know your thoughts and comment it down below. So again, I am Alan. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Yes, sir!